Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds to go. Start. Mahatma Gandhi said the soul of India is in the rural parts of the country. To make life better for our farmers, the Honorable Prime Minister has implemented several programs. The Union government has emphasized on private investment in infrastructure for agriculture to achieve the target of doubling the income of farmers by 2022. This budget has given priority to zero budget farming and also to investment in agro based industries. Besides this, the government has proposed to provide better marketing avenues, remunerative prices to agriculture produces, and setting up of 10,000 farmer organizations all over the country. All these are welcome steps. The Union government has also taken steps to encourage fodder production, preservation, and conservation of milk and establishment of e-market in the country. Our Prime Minister is talking all these pro-farmer initiatives to strengthen the hands of food provider. As far as social security is concerned, the government has given a significant priority to farmers by taking measures such as Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, etc. I appreciate the government for its commitment to extend the social security cover to farmers also. I would like to mention that we have introduced various pro farmer schemes during the last 5 years. Achieving self sufficiency in the production of urea is one of them. It has helped to double the yield of agricultural crops. Our government has issued crores of soil health cards to farmers to enable them to maintain the fertility of their land at the desired level. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana has been successfully implemented and more areas have been covered under the irrigation scheme. About dozens of such programs brought new hope in the life of our farmers. I wholeheartedly congratulate our Prime Minister for all these achievements. The government may introduce as many schemes as it can be, but the responsibility of implementation of schemes is lying on the officials of the departments. I would like to point out that the crop insurance scheme is not effectively implemented in my district due to negligence on the part of the officials of the government and also the authorities of insurance companies which are selected by the state government. Farmers are deprived of the benefits of this scheme in my constituency. Many farmers were disqualified to receive the insurance amount due to negligence on the part of insurance companies. In the current year 2019-20, only 4,850 farmers have been registered under the scheme. The decline in the number shows that the scheme is not implemented successfully due to negligence of the officials of the department and also of the insurance companies. For the last 1.5 years, farmers have not been paid their due amount. Under these circumstances, how can they come forward to continue with the insurance scheme by paying them the mini premium? For the last 2 years, there is severe drought in my district. My government of Karnataka has officially declared it as a drought hit district for the 2 consecutive years. But the insurance companies are not paying the beneficiary farmers their legitimate amount covered under the insurance schemes. Another point which I would like to mention is that while preparing the list of crops lost at the Gram Panchayat level, the officials concerned are not conducting the survey in an appropriate manner. The wrong entries are made by them. For example, in their report, the name of paddy is entered in place of jowar. It is due to such irregularities and wrong entries made by the officials of the department, the poor farmers are deprived of their due benefits under the insurance scheme. So, I would like to suggest that the government should consider to entrust the responsibility of crop insurance schemes to government sponsored insurance companies instead of involving the private insurance companies into it. I would like to request the union government to issue necessary directions to the state governments to ensure proper implementation of the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana and also to release all the arrears of the farmers under the insurance scheme to protect the interest of the farmers. I would like to make a few observations that the Ministry of Rural Development covers wide range of areas such as rural drinking water, expansion of irrigation, power supply, development of roads and transportation, housing for all, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, etc. So, I am of the opinion that it is sectors as they are very important to build a strong nation. It is the dream of our Honorable Prime Minister to fulfill the demands of the people of the country by achieving the sustainable development in the rural India. It would be possible by effective implementation of welfare schemes with the support of state of the art technology.